Hi! In front of me is Honor Pad X8, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access notifications. Following that, click on Manage All and tap on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications. You can switch them back on the same way. If you wish to, you can also go back, scroll down and tap on one of your apps over here. Then click on the switcher next to Allow Notifications to switch them off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!